This is the first look at the Sunbrite Soundbar Outdoor Medium for up to 55 inches and larger TVs in black. This is all weather. You can hit it with the hose. It can withstand the extreme heat. The only thing is that this is a passive soundbar, so it does require an external amplifier. As far as construction of the product, it's really good quality. You can see it has several tweeters and several woofers in there. Really nice casing, and what I like is that it's specifically designed for the Sunbrite TVs. It comes with this brackets where it just sits seamless on there. On the back here, you got your mounting points, nice rubber casing to protect the wires from the elements. Gold-plated push terminals, really good quality. Comes with the manual, as well as a speaker adapter if you're running the Pro or Signature series that has a built-in amplifier in the TV. And then here's some extension brackets to make the soundbar sit exactly at the degree of the TV that you want it to sit at. And here's the bracket that bolts to the back of the TV. And like I was saying, I like how it lines up just perfect with the back of the TV. Just sits on there like that, and the soundbar sits below it. And the amplifier that I typically use is right here, the EA Mini 2D 35 watt amp. It has audio in and then your speaker outputs here, and it has signal sense, which is nice, so you don't have to turn it on and off. There's a couple different ways you can control it. I have a IR receiver here, or you can just point the remote, like a standard remote, at it to control it, or you can do a universal remote system, which we're gonna do. We're gonna put this touchscreen remote out here with a control processor, which will make everything radio frequency. It also has in-app control. Pretty cool little outdoor setup, and this is the Veranda series that we're bolting it onto right now. This is designed for partial sun, which is perfect for a situation like this, where it's mostly shaded, but you still want it outdoor rated for the extreme heat during the hot summer months here in Texas. We sell these products and install them. Give me a call if you have questions. Thank you.